I really feel dizzy.
Wait, are you okay? You look really pale.
I think I have a fever.
Hey everyone, welcome back to EnglishUp. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
Today's episode, when best friends get it wrong.
Ooh, intriguing. So what happened, Sarah?
Well, first, how was your morning?
Pretty crazy. I almost missed the bus, so I had to hit the books on the way to work.
Hit the books? You were studying on the bus?
Yeah, I had a Spanish test today.
Well, speaking of stressful mornings, today's story is about a kid having a really bad day at school.
Right. The cold open we just heard? Does she actually have a fever?
We'll find out. But before we listen, let's preview the 3 key words you'll need to follow the story. Coming up next, vocabulary preview.
Vocabulary preview.
Today, we have 3 key words. Our first word is fever.
Fever.
So Mike, when someone has a fever, what does that mean?
It means their body is too hot. They're sick. You usually need to rest.
Right. You might also feel really tired and weak. Okay, our second word is dizzy.
Dizzy.
When you feel dizzy, what's happening?
The world feels like it's spinning. Like when you spin around too fast and almost fall down.
Exactly. You can also feel dizzy when you stand up too fast or when you're sick. And our last word is school nurse.
School nurse.
The school nurse is the person at the health office who helps you when you feel sick at school.
Not a full doctor, but they handle a lot.
Fever, dizzy, school nurse. Now let's hear them in action in today's conversation. My fever is breaking, but I'm still really dizzy. I think I want to go talk to the school nurse.
Ben, I think I caught a cold. I'm really feeling under the weather today.
Yeah, right, Anna. Today's the math test. You always feel sick on test day. You trying to play hooky?
I'm serious. My throat hurts and I have a bad headache. I'm not playing hooky.
Sure. Don't be such a drama queen. You should win an Oscar.
Ben, I really feel dizzy. Everything is spinning.
Wait, are you okay? You look really pale.
I think I have a fever. My whole body is burning hot.
Oh no. Hold on. Let's go to the school nurse. Right now.
Oh dear. Sit down. Let me check your temperature. Yes, you definitely have a fever. You need to go home and rest.
Hannah, I'm so sorry. I really thought you were being a drama queen.
It's okay, Ben. I know it sounded like I was making excuses to play hooky.
Take this medicine, drink lots of water, and you'll feel better tomorrow. Get well soon, Anna.
Thanks. Let's go home, Ben.
I'll carry your bag. Come on, let's get you home so you can feel better.
What just happened?
Wow, poor Anna.
Yeah, and poor Ben, too. That guilt at the end killed me.
Absolutely.
Mike, have you ever been on Ben's side of this kind of misunderstanding?
Oh yeah, years ago. In high school, my best friend said he had food poisoning. I called him a drama queen for 2 days.
Oh no, and then?
Turns out he had appendicitis. He needed surgery. I felt awful.
Oh, Mike.
Yeah, lesson learned. Always believe your sick friends.
That's a great takeaway. Coming up, useful English phrases from this conversation.
Language takeaway.
Our first phrase is super common in everyday American English. Feel under the weather.
Feel under the weather.
Mike, what does that mean?
It means to feel a little sick, but not too serious.
Right. Anna said in our story, I'm really feeling under the weather today. You can also say, I'm not coming to the party tonight. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Okay, next phrase. Catch a cold.
Catch a cold means to become sick with a cold. You catch it from someone else.
I think I caught a cold. Or you might say, bundle up or you'll catch a cold.
Next, feel better.
Feel better. To start being healthier after being sick.
Let's get you home so you can feel better. Or simply, I hope you feel better soon.
Now here's a fun American one. Play hooky.
Play hooky.
Play hooky means to skip school or work without a real reason. Like when Ben asked Anna, "Are you trying to play hooky?"
Don't play hooky just because there's a test, kids.
And our last phrase, drama queen.
Drama queen.
A drama queen is a person who makes a small problem seem huge. They overreact.
Don't be such a drama queen. You can also say, stop being a drama queen. It's just a paper cut.
But sometimes the drama queen is actually really sick. Speaking of getting sick at school, here's a quick cultural note about how it works in different countries. Coming up next.
Cultural note.
In Taiwan, students visit the school health office, called the Baojianshi. The school nurse can give simple medicine and let you rest there.
In the US, it's similar but stricter. American school nurses often can't give medicine without a parent's permission. Usually they just check your temperature and call your parents.
So if you ever feel sick at school in America, expect a phone call home. Now that you know all the words and phrases, let's listen to the conversation one more time. You'll understand way more this round.
Ben, I think I caught a cold. I'm really feeling under the weather today.
Yeah, right, Anna. Today's the math test. You always feel sick on test day. Are you trying to play hooky?
I'm serious. My throat hurts and I have a bad headache. I'm not playing hooky.
Sure. Don't be such a drama queen. You should win an Oscar.
Ben, I really feel dizzy. Everything is spinning.
Wait, are you okay? You look really pale.
I think I have a fever. My whole body is burning hot.
Hold on. Let's go to the school nurse right now.
You have a fever. Stay home, take this medicine, and get well soon.
Hannah, I'm so sorry. I really thought you were being a drama queen.
It's okay. Let's go home so I can feel better. Today's recap.
Today's 3 key words are fever, dizzy, and school nurse. And our useful phrases, feel under the weather, catch a cold, feel better, play hooky, and drama queen.
Practice these every day, especially the casual ones like feel under the weather. You'll sound supernatural.
Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever thought a friend was being a drama queen only to find out they really were sick?
Share your story in the comments below. We read every one.
And tell us what topic you want to hear next. School, travel, food. Drop your ideas down there.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps.
And next time someone says they're sick, believe them. See you next time on English Up. Bye.